Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Data Science Theory. I am Vijay Kant. So today I am going to show you that how to install Ubuntu in Oracle VirtualBox. In the previous video I have showed you how to install VirtualBox. I have already installed VirtualBox here. So let's start to install Ubuntu here. So this is the Oracle VirtualBox, and here we will click on new. So we have to write the name. Suppose we are installing Ubuntu, so we will write here Ubuntu 20.04, and the type is the Linux, and version is Ubuntu 64-bit, and we'll give the memory up to the green mark, so it is the safer side. I generally used to check this. Okay, so we will create a virtual hard disk now. So there are three options. We do not have to change this one. Create a virtual hard disk now. This is the option pre-selected, so we will create it on this only. And hard disk file type, it is VirtualBox disk image, so we will not change it here. We'll do the next. And storage will be the dynamically allocated, so it will not give any error. Suppose it will have some physical hard disks, although it will not shrink again automatically when space on it freed. So we'll do the dynamic allocate next. And for the hard disk size, we'll choose 100 GB, so it is the virtual, so do not need to worry. So we'll create it, and this is now created. You can see it here, Ubuntu 20.04. and before doing start, we'll do some setting here. So the setting will like this. Yeah, so here is the option basic, advanced, descriptions, data disk. So in the advanced, you have to change it here, set clipboard in bi-directional, and drag and drop option will be bi-directional, and we do not have to change anything in description and disk inscription. So in the system, it is already given here, base memory is up to green mark. We have to do this processor up to the green mark for the safer side, and we will not do anything on the acceleration size. And on the storage display, we will not do anything. And on storage, this is option here, empty. We will click on empty option, and we'll select here from the disk. Here you will get the option choose a disk file, so we'll select this choose. And already I have downloaded this Ubuntu. I will share the link in the description box, so you can also download this Ubuntu 20.04 latest version Linux. Okay, let's start this installation process. We'll select it, and here you can see the image 2.53 GB. So every setup is done here. We will do the OK, right? And after doing OK, so here you can see the SATA port Ubuntu 20.04, and everything seems to be good. And let's start it. When you do the start, option will come. So this is the option. Please don't confuse here. Here is three option is given: host drive Z, host drive H, and Ubuntu 20.04. So we have to select Ubuntu 20.04 desktop 2.53 GB, because this is our disk image, and we have to start from this only. Okay, so we'll select here, and we'll do the start process. And you can discard this message by clicking on this close button. And Ubuntu is getting start here. So it is checking the disk. You can do a Ctrl+C here if you do not want to check your disk size. So I have already skipped it. You can also skip, or you can also do it. So it's not a big problem. It is better to check every time. So here it is starting. We'll minimize this button. So the Ubuntu option is coming here. You can see the option is coming. So here is the option, choose your language. Whatever in which country you are residing, you can choose your own language. I am doing English. Why? Because I am from India. So I am doing the install Ubuntu. Click on the install Ubuntu here, and simply it will install everything. So it is processing. So you can see in VirtualBox it will take time. Why? Because it is on, everything is virtual. So we'll continue. Our keyboard layout is English US. Now we will continue this. And here is the option normal installations. We'll do the normal installation only, and we'll click on the update while installing Ubuntu, and we can also click the install third-party software for graphics and Wi-Fi hardware. So additionally it will install everything whatever you need in Ubuntu. So just check this box, install third-party software for graphics and Wi-Fi hardware and additional media formats. We'll continue here. So the process is going on. So it is quite time taking process. So the next option came here, installation type. So here it is saying erase disk and install Ubuntu. So you need not worry about the disk, because already it is saying we are doing in VirtualBox. So we'll install now here. We'll check that box only and install now. Now it is installing Ubuntu in VirtualBox. So it is asking for the permission. So we'll continue here. And please select your country here. Like I am from Kolkata zone, so I will select here Kolkata. You can select from here, right? This is Kolkata zone. Now continue here. So it is asking for your name, so I am writing my name here. So it is asking for the password. Please put a easy password here so that you can log in immediately. So I am putting my password here. So this is very short password I am using here. Or you can also click on login automatically. but it is better to require my password to login. Why? Because you have some data in it. So please click on require my password to login. Okay, now we are doing continue. So the Ubuntu is getting installed in the VirtualBox, so everything is copying here. So we have to wait for it until it will complete its process. So guys, Linux is a very good platform. It is a virus free platform. You can say a virus free operating system. You can do many data science program here. So basically for the software development, data science purpose and some big project, we use a Linux platform. It is free and user friendly also, and you should know some get commands that will help you to install other software. But in the new one you can get every features here. You will get the app store like your phone. So whatever the software you need, you just type there and everything will in your hand. So we'll wait for it. The file is still copying here. Meanwhile you can also see this very interesting features of the Ubuntu 20.04. so you can do editing in your photo, and we have lot more feature in Ubuntu. So it will come in the slide, you can see. So you can see here almost every file is copied in this VirtualBox, and now it is installing in system. So we have to wait for it also. Keep it in mind that we will not skip any file. So the option is coming here is skip. We will not do any skip because it will make error after installation. Now it is in the final stage. It is configuring the hardware. Now it is already completed, and it is asking for restart. We'll restart. The virtual machine will be restart. So we are doing a restart now, and here you will see please remove the installation medium, press enter. So we will press here enter, and it will start our Ubuntu. So some errors and unable to reach cache entries. So after restarting, we are getting this option Ubuntu. We will click on Ubuntu and it will restart everything. So the brand new Ubuntu is going to open right now. Yes, it is coming, and the installation process is done here. Those who have not subscribed my channel, kindly subscribe my channel. I will give you the data science theory as well soon. So it will have very interesting when you have in my channel and ask question in the data science. I will guide you in everything, and I will make you understand that how data scientist works in data. So guys, keep in touch, like, subscribe and share with your friend. Thank you so much. Have a good day.